Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing something really special, unique and fun. A customized adventure calendar I made for a friend. Instead of traditional advent calendar, this one has 24 unique wrapped gifts, each numbered and placed in this basket. It's simple, personal, and perfect for adding excitement to the holiday countdown. Let's jump right in. And here is the things I used.
Face masks, chocolate bombs to make cacao, some cards where I will put kind of a message, chocolate candies, peppermint candy paints. This is a paper wrapping one. I will put it inside the basket with card. So another chocolate. It's actually chocolate with the orange taste. It's also for wrapping. It's the stickers. I will write on them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. So she can open it every day. Keychain. Candle. Smells like cranberry. Another chocolate. Water for coffee. Another candies. Pen for cleaning your clothes if you accidentally drop something. 3 fortune cookies for 3 days. Water for one of the restaurants that we love to go. And the basket itself. And I will wrap everything in this wrapping paper. Okay, let's begin with this orange flavored chocolate.
The best part of this calendar is the thought behind each gift. I included some small, meaningful surprises like her favorite snacks, some cozy things, some little notes of encouragement, and just some things that will bring our common moments. Each one is a tiny moment of joy leading up to Christmas. Personalizing the gifts makes it so much more special. It's not just about what is inside, but the thought and love you put into it. Not gonna lie, it was definitely a challenge to wrap 24 gifts with different shapes, but it was such a fun activity. Definitely recommend you to do it as well. By the way, did you know Advent calendar started in 19th century Germany? Families would mark each day before Christmas with chalk or candles. Over time, it evolved into the little surprises we know today. I wanted to take that idea and give it a personal twist by creating a gift-filled calendar for my friends. I also would like to share with you how I wrapped the fortune cookies because I think it was challenging at the beginning. So I decided to go by the sacks form. I think it's very simple and cute. Be ready to spend from 3 to 4 hours to wrap all of your 24 gifts, especially if they are all have different shapes, but definitely worth it. So once everything was ready, I placed the gifts in this cute basket for a simple yet beautiful presentation. It's practical, easy to carry, and makes the unwrapping process even more fun. And that's it. Here you are, my customized adventure calendar. 24 days of surprises for someone special. It's such a fun and heartfelt way to celebrate the season. If you're inspired to make one, let me know in the comments what kind of gifts you would include. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative ideas. Thanks for watching and happy holidays!